Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of spam detection using machine learning. In this project, we are collected the data set of SMS, and based on the SMS data set, it will predict the output whether the message is spam or ham. And in this project, we are using multinomial naive algorithm, linear support vector classification, and decision tree classifier, and also logistic regression and XGBoost algorithm. And these algorithms are machine learning algorithms. Based on these algorithms, it will predict the output whether the SMS is spam or ham. Now we can go through the data set. So this is the data set of SMS. This is the message and this is the output. So now we can go for the training code. This is the training code where we are using algorithms, machine learning algorithms. Based on these algorithms, it will predict the output. So initially we collected the data set in the form of TSV file. After that, we are using the algorithms where count vectorizer is used to convert the text into the vector form, and term frequency invert documentary is used for to convert the text documentary into the matrix form. After that, we are defining the linear support vector classification algorithm. And this is the machine learning algorithm. Once we define, we will fit the model based on X train and Y train. After that, it will give the accuracy of the linear support vector classification. And similarly, naive Bayes, we define the model multinomial naive Bayes and also fit the model. And after the fitting, predict the model. And same as decision tree, logistic regression in the XGBoost. Once training part is completed, we can check through the graph. Now run the model. So this is the graph which have ham and spam messages. And this is the training of 5 algorithms where we can, in this graph, we can see linear support vector classification has the highest accuracy compared to other 4 algorithms. Now we can go for the testing code. Run the testing code. So this is the home page of spam detection. When you click on the spam button, it will go to the next page. Here you can enter the message. Based on the messages, it will predict the output. So you can enter the, you can copy the message from the data set. Enter the message, the text box, and click on predict. We'll go to the next page. So here you can see the enter text is ham, and parallelly the message is sent to the mobile via SMS. And click on back. Now we can check another input. We can give the another message. Click on predict. Here you can see the entire text is spam. and the parallel the message is going to the SMS. Click on OK.